Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'll show us here on the Temu app where you can access your coupons and offers. Yes, in the Temu app, there is a particular section you can go to and you will see what is being offered to you, okay? All you need to do is to log into your Temu app, click on the U icon, and you will see coupons and offers. Click on that and you're going to see all the coupons and offers that are available to you. Okay. All you need to do is to click on get and follow whatever it is they tell you to do. All right. So once you do that, it works for you. You use the code about to check out, you definitely see the discounts applied to you. Okay, is that easy? Now this is one place. There is somewhere else you can go to on the Temu app and you will see promotions that are available to you. Click on messages and then click on promotions. You see there are a lot of them, both the current one and the expired ones. They will be here. So just click go to the very last one. Those ones are usually current, and click on whatever promotion you're interested in. It's that easy. Once you do that, just follow the prompts, follow whatever it is they are asking of you. Make sure you comply with the terms and conditions, and you definitely get the promotion activated. It's that easy. When you're offered a €0 item, you should know they come with terms and conditions. Once you fulfill that, you're definitely going to get those items, the free items with the paid items. And then if it's other promotions where you have maybe some percentage off, sometimes you can have 99-cent deals. I really like the 99-cent deals. Like those are my favorites after the €0 items deals. Like, tell me in the comment section, what do you like so far on the Temu app? What offer or deal is your favorite or your best? I'd love to hear all about it in the comment section, okay? If you use these two methods on the Temu app to actually access promotions or coupons or offers on the Temu app, let me know in the comment section. Let's discuss it and tell me your experience using it. A lot of people have complained that they didn't get their free gift item delivered to them alongside their paid items. But I keep explaining to them that these things come with terms and conditions, okay? It's boldly written. Temu doesn't hide the fact that you need to buy some items. It's called qualifying purchase, okay? They do not hide that part. So some people do not read the terms and conditions, or they do not really read the rules of the game, and they just think they can get things for free. I don't know. But let me know if you actually follow everything that is being said on the Temu app, the terms and conditions regarding the €0 item. Let me know if you got the gifts or not, because me, I got the gifts because I did everything that was asked of me, okay? I chose my free gifts and then I paid for some items. And when I got the products or the items, I also got the free items along with it. Is that straightforward? So let me know what your experience has been using the Temu app so far. We can discuss in the comment section. If you've gotten value from this video, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!